are some of us that are quite literally on their side. And it's up to you if you want to see it that way or not. I can't change your belief. Okay?
And this is my thing though. How can they threaten us for using our constitutional rights and blogging our emotional journey? How can they do that? That's not legal, bro. You can't tell me that's legal, because especially if we didn't put any details. I read what my dad posted. He didn't put any details. I put details. I don't give a fuck. That's me. But I'm just saying, how can we keep being threatened for exercising our constitutional rights?
So that's a great question, because and genuinely, it is a great legal question.
If you tell me the Welfare and Institutions Code has something to do with it because the privacy and all that bullshit, that has nothing to do with the Constitution, when obviously there's bullshit going on. Who is Lisa Haight, bro? She's fucking biased as fuck. She don't know nothing about us.
She's an attorney. She's a barred attorney with the state of California. She works with an organization called Children's Legal Services. They are court-appointed attorneys for children. And she was appointed by the court to be your children's attorney and guardian ad litem per capita. CAPTA. It stands for like the Child Advocate Protection and something.
So, in other words, she just recommends whatever the fuck CPS recommends. That's all that is. Because that's what she did. I read some of the reports. I haven't been through all of them yet, but I read them. She just copy and pasted pretty much.
So, believe it or not, Lisa goes against the agency quite a bit. But not all the time. But yeah, quite a bit. Like I said, it's the application of the First Amendment to these courts are limited by things such as a recognized interest in privacy that the kids enjoy, by
I think that could be argued in Supreme Court.
I think it would make a really interesting argument. I don't disagree with you. However, the fact of the matter is that rights are not absolute.
Rights are not absolute.
Rights are not absolute.
Whoa! That's fucking insane. However, I can blog about my personal feelings and my personal perception, because a lot of this has been based off perception. There's no facts.
There's also limits on the Second Amendment. You can't own a tank. You can't own a rocket launcher. You can't own a nuclear.
Okay, but we're talking about personally blogging our feelings without releasing details, specific details in regards to the case, which is what your Welfare and Institutions Code is in regards to.
Now we're talking about something different. Okay? It started with you getting really excited when I said that rights are not absolute. They're not. And I think you understand that. Now,
holy shit.
When I said...
Do you think a Supreme Court judge would agree with you on that? If you walked into a Supreme Court judge and said, sir, I don't think your Constitution is absolute, you think he would agree with you?
So what I said is that rights are not absolute.
So our only rights that matter is the Constitution?
Jesus, Keenan. Yeah, I think they would agree with me on a 9-0 majority. Okay? It would be unanimous. Because I've actually read these cases, I've actually studied the law, and I know what I'm saying. Okay? I'm not speaking just about my feelings. Now, here's the deal. I don't have time to sit and debate with you, because we've already done quite a bit of it. The hearing is tomorrow morning. The court will give you a call. Okay?
Cool.
All right.
All right.